I'm Totoy Balat of Apalit Pampanga. Shut up po. Hello, how are you?
Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Sound will love forever true.
Johnny was the girl who lived next door. I know, I guess 10 years or more. Johnny wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say.
Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Sign will love forever true.
Slowly I read her note once more. Then I went over to the house next door. Her teardrop fell like rain that day, when I told Jody what I had to say. Jody, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. You're just 15, I'm 22. Jody, I just can't wait for you. I left our little hometown, got me a job and tried to settle down. But her words keep haunting my memory. The word that Johnny said to me.
Jimmy,
Please you say for me.
Saving all my kisses just for you. Sound will love forever true.
I packed my clothes and I called a plane. I had to see Jody, I had to explain how many heart was filled with her memory. My Johnny, you shall marry me. I ran up the way to the house next door, but things were like they were before. My teardrop fell like rains that day, when I heard what Johnny had to say. Jimmy, please don't cry. You forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Jimmy, I married your best friend John. Hello Mitch, Totoy Balat ng Apalit, Pampanga.